Good morning. It's Michael Hill with the National Weather Service with your winter weather update as of 10 o'clock this morning on Sunday. We've got the major winter storm ongoing. The good news is that the precipitation should end here very soon. We're looking around. Um, you already got the clearing line moving across the river as we speak. So that's good news that we're almost out of the woods as far as the precipitation falling and the accumulation stacking up. But whatever's on the ground is going to stay there. So we're going to still have significant and long-lasting impacts expected for a good portion of the area. Power outages, tree damage, and dangerous driving conditions will last through early next week. Dangerous cold is expected. We could be below freezing for 2 to 4 days across portions of the area. Very cold lows with lows in the teens and some single digits. Current observation, this was as of 9 o'clock this morning. We had that transition zone that we've been talking about across kind of the metro area down to Macomb, up into the Golden Triangle region. We have mostly freezing rain off to the north and west across northeast Mississippi, southeast Arkansas, and the Mississippi Delta, and then mostly rainfall across the south east portions of the state. Looking at current power outages as of 9 o'clock, lots of power outages across the northeast Louisiana. We're starting to see an uptick in southeast Arkansas, and of course, Mississippi has lots of power outages. So please check on your people, check on the elderly, vulnerable populations. We're going to be out of power in some places for a while. Lots of issues could be going on with that, along with the brutally cold temperatures. So find ways to keep people warm and safe. But if you don't have to be out, don't travel, please. We have lots of reports of roads uh, icing over. We're going to probably start seeing those roads start to ice over across Madison County, down into Hinds County as well, up here in Tala County, and all these areas up through here. We're probably going to start seeing some icing up there. So we have got to be careful as we get out. And I would actually say, don't I advise anybody not to travel. Just stay in today. It's nasty. It's cold. We're expecting icing conditions to get worse as we go through the afternoon and evening. So we still have those extreme impacts to the north and west. We're still going to get those impacts across Natchez and Jackson metro area all the way up to Columbus. And so we're just, what we've been talking about. We could still see some icing coming down through here, but anything that's wet tonight is going to freeze up. So be careful in the morning. Be sure to make sure you look and see what your road conditions are like in your area. Still have those ice storm warnings across a large portion of the area in those dark purple areas, light purple can see some icing up to a quarter inch in these areas with the light purple. So that just means it's not as impactful, possibly, but you still might see some impacts as we go throughout. And dangerous cold, we're talking about wind chills near or less than zero across the purple areas, wind chills less than 10 across the red areas. We're not going to get above freezing tomorrow. Once we go below freezing, and a lot of us are below freezing now, we're not going to get back above freezing to maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's going to be cold. So just be sure to protect yourselves during the cold. We have the entire state of Mississippi under extreme cold warning. So it's just going to be extremely cold for our area. So major storm, winter storm ongoing. Precipitation should end later this afternoon. Significant and long-lasting impacts are expected for a good portion of the area for power outages, tree damage, and dangerous driving conditions that will persist through early next week. Dangerous cold is expected, and we're going to be in the freezing cold for up to 2 to 4 days across the area. So that's all I have for you guys this morning. This will probably be the last briefing on this winter storm. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please stay safe. Please stay warm. Don't travel if you unless you have to, and we'll get through this. And we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.